Hello everyone, let's start today's maths prep. Student, since 1 month we are learning number work, lesson number 2 in the maths. So today inshallah we will finish the second lesson of number work. So let's have up to, in the last spread we have completed up to place value. So today we will learn the number just before and after a given number. So see the exercise. Write the number just after and just before the given number. Here what to do, क्या करना है तुमको, number is given, the number just before number you know very well, and the just after number. How to write the just before and the after number, students? Remember, the number just after any number is greater by 1 and the number just before it is smaller by 1. Getting? Or subtract 1 from the given number to get the number just before. See, for example, 2999 is given. So what is the number just before? Smaller by 1. It means 2998. And the number just after is greater by 1 or add 1. Means 2999 add 1, 3000. So it will be 3000. Getting? After that 1000. The number just before 1000, 999. And the number just after 1001. Got? The number just before and the number just after. See, after that 3800. Number is greater by 1. Before is smaller by 1. So it will be 3799. And after 3801. Got all of you? So it is very simple, the number just before and after. So remaining you have to write down or solve in the same way. Now come to the next one. See here, complete the following tables. Here numbers are given. See here, numbers are given. You have to write the smaller and bigger number. Getting? Smaller and bigger number. Now how to write the smaller and bigger number, student? See, any 3-digit number will be smaller than any 4-digit number. अब 3-digit number 4-digit number से of course it will be smaller. But if both numbers have 4 digits, the number with the bigger 1000 digit will be the bigger number. See here. Here also 4 digit number are there and here also 4 digits. दोनों में 4 digits है. अब इसमें से smaller bigger हम कैसे find out करेंगे? So we have to take the 1000. It will be the bigger number, 1000. See here. Here 1000 place 2 is there and here 1000 place 1 is there. So smaller number, which one the smaller number? Yes, 1968. And here bigger 2123. It means 2123. Getting? See here, second one, first one 1000 digit. 4-digit number are there and here 3-digit number are there. So any 3-digit number will be the smaller than 4-digit number. So what will be the smaller number? 999 and the bigger 9999. है ना easy? Here come to the third one, 2342. Here 2432. बोथ आर 4-digit नंबर. दोनों में भी क्या है? 4-digit नंबर है. सो पहले हम क्या देखेंगे? 1000 प्लेस. कंपेयर द 1000 प्लेस. हियर ऑल्सो 2 इज़ देयर एंड हियर ऑल्सो 2. अब 1000 प्लेस पे दोनों की 2 है. इफ़ दोज आर ऑल्सो इक्वल देन लुक एट द 100 प्लेस. अब दोनों भी इक्वल है तो क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू लुक एट द 100 प्लेस. सी हियर 100 प्लेस 3 एंड हियर 100 प्लेस 4. सो विच वन विद द स्मॉलर एंड बिगर नंबर? यस, smaller number 2342 and the bigger 2432. 32. Getting? Here 6070. Here 8079. 4-digit number are there. So consider the 1000. Here 1000 place 6 and here 8. The smaller number will be the what will? Yes, give me answer. Correct, 6070. And here the bigger 8079. Now come to the second last. See here 9542. Here 9549. Here 1000 place 9. After, if the 1000 digits are equal, we'll compare the 100 digit. 100 digit also the same, 5. If those are also equal, then what to do? Then look at the tens digit. See here tens. अब तुम बोलेंगे टीचर 1000 100 टेंस तीनों भी डिजिट के क्या है? सेम है, इक्वल. देन व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? लास्ट वन यूनिट. देन टू डिटरमाइन द unit. See here unit place what is there? 2 and here 9. 2 and 9. The smaller number 9542. Here 9549. Now come to the last 5978. 7539. So here 1000 place 5 and here 7. The smaller number 5978 and the bigger one 7539. So got numbers smaller and bigger. Now come to the next one. See, it is a second last exercise of the lesson. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. See here in ascending and descending order how to write. तुम्हें पता है ascending और descending order में कैसे लिखते हैं numbers. See first one 2345, second 2349 and the last one 2347. For arranging three numbers in ascending and descending order. Here 3-digit number are there? No, 4 digits are there. But the same method. First, find the smallest of the number. Then find the biggest of the number. And the remaining number is the middle number. पहले क्या करना है हमें उसका biggest number. Then smallest. And the remaining is the middle number. So see the smallest number. Smallest number is what? 2345, 2349 and the 2347. So see smallest number 2345. After that middle number and the last biggest number. अब biggest number क्या है? 2349 and the middle number 2347. Got? Smallest number 2345, middle 2347 and the biggest number is 2349. So the ascending order of this number 345. 2349 and the descending order is the vice versa of the ascending order. ये इसके एकदम अपोजिट रहते हैं. It means biggest number to smallest number. हमें big number से smallest number की तरफ जाना है. और ascending order में क्या करना है? From the smallest number to the biggest number. In the descending order, start from the biggest number first. So here we'll write 2349. Middle number same 2347 and the smallest number 2345. Got all of you? Ascending and this one the descending order. Now take one more example. See 6000, 5070 and 3000. सो हियर द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, अब ये तीनों में स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है स्टूडेंट्स? यस, व्हाट? 3007. आफ्टर दैट मिडल नंबर, yes, 5070, and the last is the biggest number 6000. And the see, now the ascending form of this number 3007, 5070, and the last one 6000. And the descending order of this number is what? The biggest number is what? 6000. Middle number same you have to copy, 5070, and the last one 3007. Got all of you? How to write the ascending and descending order? So see, 1 and 2 example I solved, and the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to solve in your notebook in the same way. Got all of you? And the last one exercise of this lesson, it is very important, international numerals, देवनागरी न्यूमरल्स एंड इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरल्स. अब तुम सोचेंगे ये क्या है? यू आर लर्निंग दिस वन फर्स्ट टाइम इन द 4th स्टैंडर्ड, एंड इट विल बी इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड ऑल्सो इट इज़ देयर. सो सी स्टूडेंट, हैव यू नोटिस ऑल द नंबर प्रिंटेड ऑन आर करेंसी नोट्स आर इन इंग्लिश. करेंसी नोट्स पे हमारे जितने भी नंबर्स रहते हैं सब इंग्लिश में रहते हैं ना. यस, एंड मोस्टली ऑल द नंबर्स ऑन आर व्हीकल्स टू, व्हीकल्स पे भी रहते हैं. सो वाई? It means that the numbers on currency notes should be such that everyone in India can read, and not only Indians, but visitor from other country should also be able to read them. यानी जो अदर कंट्री के विजिटर आते हैं वो भी उन्हें अच्छी तरह से रीड कर सकते हैं. सो इट विल बी द easy. So when numbers are written English numerals, everyone in the world can understand them. That is why these numerals are now called international numerals. See, international numerals means English में जो रहता है. It means you are already familiar with them. सबको पता है ना इंग्लिश नंबर 1 to 0 to 9. So it is easy to understand outside also. So देवनागरी numerals means what? मराठी. अब मराठी में 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And international numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इसे क्या कहते हैं? देवनागरी न्यूमरल्स. और ये इंग्लिश में है इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरल्स. सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी. देवनागरी न्यूमरल्स इधर मराठी में लिखा है, उसके नीचे सेम इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरल्स मीन्स इंग्लिश में लिखा है. सो ओनली यू हैव टू कॉपी दिस 2 टेबल इन योर नोटबुक. और आपको समझना है, आपको मराठी में तो आता है 0 से 9 तक लिखना है, 0 से 9 तक इंग्लिश में एज वेल. सो गॉट व्हाट इज़ द इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरल्स एंड देवनागरी न्यूमरल्स. सो फॉर today's this much only shall we stop over here, and whatever homework I given you I have to complete in your notebook. And one more important notice is there. See, very soon your first UT exam will be there. So whatever I taught you up to today video, आज तक की वीडियो में मैंने तुम्हें जितना भी पढ़ाया है, जितना कुछ समझा है और जितना कुछ होमवर्क दिया है, you have to not learn नहीं करना है, you have to practice it very carefully. अच्छे से तुम्हें वो क्या करना है? प्रैक्टिस करना है. And whatever paper, question paper will be there, it is totally activity based. So don't be afraid and don't take tension. Your paper is related to your textbook only. textbook में से मैंने तुम्हें जो भी सम्स दिया है होमवर्क में, उसी में से ही तुम्हारे पेपर, क्वेश्चन पेपर का बेस है. So be ready for your exam, and in the next video I will take you some more revision related first UT. Till then, thank you and have a good day. Bye bye. In your first UT exam, see, only first and second 2 lessons are there. See here, lesson 1, geometrical figures, which we have completed, and today we have finished our second lesson also, number 1. So these 2 lesson exercise you have to practice it. Getting all of you, only 2 lessons are there. So practice it and complete your work on given time. Got all of you? Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.